Because nobody don't know them.
We are chat say.
The only good one is God is the greatest. That's it.
Yo, listen up, people. You see, give unto Caesar what is due to Caesar. You see, if Kartel never come from prison and do, a lot of these artists did not know they had the capabilities of keeping shows like this.
I feel like I shadow them.
Me not shadow them, bro.
Yeah, bro.
And let me show you something.
Because Kartel is the only man who sell out stadium.
I know Kartel like only man.
Don't be biased, man.
So watch this now. Me
not be biased.
Me not gonna be biased, but me gonna show you something. Me live in America for a good while now. Me see Vybz before Kartel got prison. Kartel keep on show at Jamaica. And you see when he keep a show at Jamaica, he live stream in America. And the amount of people we got a show there. Which other artists you see do something like that? Watch this now.
No, you asked me the question. Hold on now. Since you asked me the question, watch you go fuck you. You remember during COVID? Just say you remember COVID.
Yeah, man, I remember COVID. Man.
You remember the biggest live stream ever in a COVID was what? Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. Bounty Killer and Beanie Man have the biggest live stream ever.